Hey girl, it's Sonia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my updated hair care routine, and let me tell you, my hair hasn't looked this good in a long time. Not to say that it hasn't looked good, but it looks pretty good today. I'm going to be sharing all the products I use, a step-by-step tutorial, and a little mini review of the products I used as well, so stay tuned. Okay, so first up, I'm going to be washing my hair, but before I do, I just wanted to mention quickly that this video was made in partnership with Raw Sugar to show you guys their new Pro Remedy collection that is exclusively available at Sally Beauty. If you guys were just to cruise around my house, you'll see their products everywhere, so I'm just really excited to try these products. I need to wash it because the style I'm going to show you requires clean hair. So I'm going to be washing using the Raw Sugar Pro Remedy for color treated hair. This is their Reconstruct shampoo and conditioner, white, orchid, and mushroom. I don't like to eat mushrooms, so I'm like, oh my gosh, that smells so pretty. Color locking, moisture sealing, strengthening. Yes! And it's infused with botanicals and fermented oils, which I'm guessing that's where the mushrooms come in. Free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, and it's vegan. Yay! So straight away, I can tell you that my hair feels lighter, so I got a really nice deep clean. I needed that because I've been using like these greasy, oily balms to kind of control my flyaways. As far as the moisture goes, like it doesn't feel like I've got like a heavy conditioner in there. Even when I was washing my hair, it didn't feel like it was so thick and oily that I might not be able to wash it out completely, if that makes any sense. Like you can really tell if you did a good job washing when it's time to blow dry. And now I'm going to be using some leave-in products. So this is the Pro Remedy Unbreakable Balm Leave-In Bond Treatment, and it is in the scent Banana Leaf and Coconut. This says it is for structured, strengthening, repair and seal split ends and tames frizz. I was just talking about that, so I am ready. Obviously it's new. How much do I need? It says squeeze a bit into hands. So I'm just gonna use a little bit because I don't wanna put too much. Got a little bit in my hands. It smells like banana taffy. Now it says that you need to apply this from your midsection, so about your ears down to the ends. It says it's gonna seal in our split ends, so like please. If I would have known about this product like a few months ago, I probably would still have long hair. This is the Pro Remedy for color treated hair leave-in primer mist in the scent Wild Rose and Watercress. This is a lightweight multitasking detangler, heat protection, and hairstyle perfector. And I actually needed a heat protectant, so I am all about this. Not only should you be wearing SPF for your skin, but you need heat protectant for your hair. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Smells like rose water. Okay, a little bit of that. It says it's a detangler, so yes it is. Now we're gonna see how it holds up as far as my blow dry. I have to stop this really quick. It feels like my hair is drying faster than normal too. Not mad about it. So I was a little bit worried because of this product. It's really, really thick. In the description alone, it says that it seals split ends, so it's very, very thick. I thought for sure my hair was going to be like completely weighed down, but it's not. It is so light and obviously moving, girl. Look at that shine. Okay. Now I'm going to start my hairstyle, which is going to begin with a center part, like all the cool kids. Starting at the front, I am going to take sections this big, and my clipless curling iron, I'm going to point the barrel going down. I'm going to wrap it around 3 times, making sure I have quite a bit of hair left over. let it go, shake it out a little bit, and boom. And I'm gonna continue this process all over. My hair is so shiny, it's distracting. Taking another section of hair like this, pointing my barrel down, wrapping around 2 or 3 times depending on the length of your hair, holding on to the end here for a few seconds, and then you're gonna let it go. I'm gonna go in the opposite direction now to give it a little bit more of a natural look. So again, pointing my barrel down and wrapping around just a few times and making sure I have about 2 or 3 inches depending on the length of your hair. Next up, I am going to be adding a little bit of the Raw Sugar Texture Dry Shampoo, and this is in the scent Coconut and Maqui Berry. I'm hoping I'm saying that correctly. This is a fast and fresh fix between washes, and it says bamboo powder with a hint of ginseng gives added oomph. Love that. Let me give it a whoa. And I'm just gonna start picking up my hair. I don't know about you guys, but my hair produces so much oil when I sleep. I'll wake up and my hair is like flat like a pancake. So I even add some dry shampoo before bed. Not only is it a dry shampoo, but it's a texture dry shampoo. So look how much bigger my hair got. Girl. Did you guys notice that when I was spraying the dry shampoo in my hair, that my hair didn't turn white and I've got jet black hair? So this is also a plus. And it didn't mattify my hair. Can you guys see that? My hair is still super shiny. Thank you, Lord. This is how I typically would do my hair on a weekly basis. I try not to wash my hair too often because I don't want the color to come out of my hair, and I also don't want to dry my hair out further. But after using a handful of products from the Raw Sugar Pro Remedy collection, I might be washing my hair a lot more often. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any tips and tricks that you want to share with me, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you guys try any of these products, let me know there as well, because I'd love to know your guys' reaction and what products you guys are interested in checking out as well. Thank you again to Raw Sugar for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.